So our job is to find the main idea of the chapter, what an octopus eats. Octopuses eat many animals. They eat crabs and fish. Large octopuses can eat sharks. Octopuses use their arms to look for food. The little cups on their arms can grip the food that they find. An octopus also looks in places where animals hide. It looks for food in small, dark places. Its arms reach far into the rocks. The octopus has a beak in its mouth. The beak breaks open the shells of lobsters and clams. See its beak? So your job is to figure out what is this all about. So what's the topic? What's one or two words that tell what this whole thing is about? And then what exactly is this chapter about?